आंखें बंद। सब सोने जा रहे हैं। बाथरूम की लाइट बंद कर देना है। नहीं नहीं, रुको 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 रुको। स्टार्ट।
आंखें खोलो, दिखेगा नहीं।
How do you guys feel? You feel loose?
Actually, I'm surprised to see you all here, and I'm
Why? Can I pinch you?
इनका बर्थडे भी
नहीं, What's your name?
Anushka
Anushka?
Pane.
Anushka Pane?
Yeah.
क्या बात है? From Thane?
No, I'm
Okay,
from
no.
Vashi.
Okay, from Vashi. They're close by. Don't worry. Okay, thank you guys so much. Thank you for coming on stage and being such sports, all of you. Thank you. I'll come back and I'll take it. Promise. Thank you. Bye, Baba. See you.
I tell you one awesome thing.
Huh?
I know Narendra
Bye, Baba.
Modi very well, but Narendra Modi doesn't. That's cheated.
अच्छा इसको एक जोक बोलना है जो मेरे को अभी अभी इसने मेरे को कुछ बोला है जो मेरे को I'll come back and take which no one has told me. Just say what you said.
I know Narendra Modi very well, but Narendra Modi doesn't know me.
I will. Okay, so just a little bit more. We are going to go off stage before I think the MC is going to come on. But before that, I just want to say something little bit about Pawns because of which we've got this opportunity to come here. We are here to talk about pollution and about the revolutionary product that Pawns has come out with, which is called pollution control, which is I think very important in today's day and age. हम लोग जब रोड पे ट्रैवल करते हैं किधर ना किधर ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं या वी गो अर्ली मॉर्निंग फॉर आवर जॉब्स और फॉर एनीथिंग लाइक राइट नाउ वी आर ऑन स्टेज धूल मिट्टी these have become part of our lifestyle, you know, the dirt, it's everywhere. So the way to get rid of something like that is the Pawns product called Pollution Out. I really believe in this product because even now in the rainy season there's a lot of dirt that keeps flying around, it can get to you. What Pollution Out does is very simple. It's got charcoal in it. It goes deep into your skin and it removes the dirt. That's all that you guys need to know about it. And honestly, if you want to remove the dirt from your life, just use Pawns. It's as simple as that. तो आपको गंदगी हटानी है तो use Pawns. स्वच्छ भारत के लिए use Pawns. I truly believe in that. So I'm going to come back and can we have the MC back on stage?
Buddy. Okay, can we have a big round of applause for the entire team here? And of course, you know, what Varun didn't tell you that he was singing the happy birthday song for Remo sir because it's his birthday today. Give him a big round of applause. So pre-function area में dinner के time पे जो cake होगा वो sir की तरफ से है.
It's his birthday on 19th of June and the best present you can give him is go for his film.
Yeah.
So please go for ABCD2 in a theater in 3D. There's lots more. We've still got one performance left out. That's the Pollution Out performance, which I'm going to perform with the fictitious group on Bezuba and Nach Mein Jaan Nach in the ending, coming up in some time.
Thank you. But before that, sir, it's a fantastic movie which everybody surely is going to go on 19th of June. But before that, let's call for the promo, right?
Yeah.
So can we clear the chairs, please? Can I request someone to
Let's see
please
the
clear
trailer.
the chairs?
Can you take the chairs out?
कितने मेहनती लड़के हैं. मैं वही do call for the promo.
Yeah, can we have the trailer of ABCD 2?
Here we go.
जवान लाल बम मारिया रे लाल बम हो बम मारिया रे लाल बम मारिया
Remo sir.
लालपुर मा पावो भाग्यों ने मारो सूतो सुने लेडो जाग्यो जवान लाल बम मारिया रे लाल बम मारिया हे बम मारिया रे लाल बम मारिया.
Remo sir, we surely should do this in ABCD 3.
नहीं सर रुको सर रुको सर. Anybody can.
झुकेगा ये सर. लेके किस्मत पे काटे हैं राहों में काटे हैं किस्मत पे काटे हैं राहों में काटे हैं.
सौ सवाल है सौ हैरानतें ये तो नाम की है काली
राख सपनों की राख हाथों में खूनी आँखों में जलती उम्मीद है आखिरी ना मिला मौका ना मिली माफी करो कितनी सजा और बाकी. Ladies and gentlemen.
After a long day's work, everyone's face gets dull and tired, but not mine, because I've got Pond's pollution out. So it's time to get recharged. we go ahead, we can't start this without one person, and that is Remo sir. So I'm going to do the rap one more time for Remo sir.